Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing Animal Hospital with my brother.
Hello.
Okay, so anyway, let's get started. Also, do you like my avatar? It's so cute. OMG. Anyways, so here we are. Isn't it so slay? Okay, here's our first girly pop.
As a patient.
Okay, so we need to, I guess, do that and take the picture.
OMG, so slay. Oh my god. You look like a fashion model.
No, I'm just kidding. You're ugly. Okay, anyways, here's your stupid badge. Now get out of here. Okay, I got room 1. So, he's gonna deal with that. While I check in the next patient. Boing, boing, boing. Alright, next one. Ooh, who are you? You look like a unicorn or like a dinosaur. What are you? Narwhal? I have an appointment! Okay, take the picture. Wait, I didn't see it. Okay, slay. Okay, the cams are offline. I cannot use those. Print the badge. What's your name, Ginger? You do not look like a ginger, my man. Now get out of here. Okay, I'm treating Ginger. Oh my god, it's so slow! Hurry up. Ooh. Dried eyes. That's why you came here? Dried eyes? Are you kidding me? Okay, anyways, let's get your stupid eye drops. Okay, get in the office.
OMG.
So slay, so shiny, so strong. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. What is up, doctor? Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Okay. I'm vibing anyway. I'm leaving. Oh, okay. Who are you? OMG. Oh my god, I need to stop talking like that. That is so annoying. Okay, hey, I just wanted to check in as a patient. Cheesy. Yeah, you know me. Let me see that photo.
Oh my god, so slay.
Okay. I will be in room 3. Okay, Slay Queen. Now get out of here. Oh. Ew, what is that? It looks like Mr. Hops. Oh. Haruki? I like the name, but I don't like you. Now get out. Okay. Ew, makes me so uncomfortable. Where are your eyeballs? Now get out of here. You're ugly. You need some Sephora. Slay. Oh my god, hurry up. Actually need it. Bleeding. Oh my god, don't worry, queen. I'll help you. Here. There, you're nice and cured. Oh my god, why is everything closed? Ew, what is that, brother? Oh my god, bro. That is so nasty. Oh, hi there. Oh my god, this person... Where are you going? Oh, they're going in room... Oh, hey, watch out, bro. There's a demon. There's a monster under the bed. And, okay. 3, 0, 2, 0. Oh my god, I would give myself an excellent. That was so good. That was good. That was gooder than good. Oh my god. My bestie is the best. Sup, I'm Kato. Kato, like the Vocaloid? Oh my god. Kato, you can call me Kato. Okay, let me see this. Okay, you're good. I've got the eye of the tiger's fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I'm the champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. Okay, get in the room. You're gonna hear me roar. Sit down. Good. You did a good job. Now I'm gonna take your blood. No, wait, that's not what this is for. This is an IV. It's supposed to give you blood, isn't it? Oh, what is it for? Oh, I'm so good at this. I love these. No, do not touch do not touch them. They're gonna make my patient die. Yes! Yes! Who let the dogs out? I'm so good at this, bro. Is that liquidation? No. Liquidation, isn't that a Pokemon move? I've got the eye of the tiger, fire, dancing through the fire, 'cause I am a champion, and you're gonna... Okay, I need to, like, chill. I had too much sugar. I had too much coffee. I've got the eye of the tiger... Stop that. Okay. Oh, Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination, and where he's from is something called a dinosaur fixation. Barney is a dinosaur from our imagination. Stick the finger up your butt and call it constipation. Okay, I'm so sorry, mister. Here's your coffee. I needed that. I will remember this. Okay. Cool. Penelope, is it you? My parents' person. Harlow. I will fall in love with you over and over again. I don't care how or when, no matter how long it's in your mind. Hi there. Don't tell me you're not the same person. You're like my husband and I've been waiting. Penelope, waiting. Your photo looks nice. Yeah. It sounded so nice when I wasn't talking. Wee. Hi there. Ew, he pooped. Oh my god. I'm here for my appointment. Hi there. You don't have explosive diarrhea, do you? Good. Because we just had someone who just, like, pooped all over the floors, so... Okay, yeah, you're normal. You're normal. You look like you haven't slept in days, though. Go take a shower and get a job. And then go to sleep. Because, like, that's what you need. I'll be in room 9. Are Miss real? I don't know. Oh. Yeah, hi there. What are you doing? What are you... Oh, crap. He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it. He's gonna break it. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's gonna break the window. Hi, Emmy. You're a visitor? I've got the elephant's high fire. Dance a little fire, cause I am a champion and you're gonna hear me. Okay. Alright, you look normal, Emmy. I'm a little concerned about this little kitty cat banging her head against the window, though. Nope, no, you're not. No. This person is blocking the shutters. Okay, I need maple syrup. Ouch, my throat hurts now. That was not necessary. I just got a little sheep, like little blind box thingy. It's like a black sheep. Anyways, not that anybody cares. I'm gonna just keep doing this. Hi there. Puppy dog. Pals. On your mark, get ready, got a lot to do. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. Super duper extra overly excited to be going on a mission. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got the taser! Yes! Yes, queen. Give me that thing. Oh, wait, no, we don't need it yet. Good! I knew it! Good! I'm using my foot as a microphone right now. Good! She's got beautiful skin. My sock stinky. Oh my god. Owie, my arm. I just cracked it. And I'm just kidding. My sock doesn't smell bad. I literally just washed it. Love of my life. She's got glitter for skin. I got room 2. Okay. Who are you? Oh, I need to stop saying that. It's super annoying. Hi there. Hello, my name is Ren Wooble. What kind of name is that? Excuse me. Let me take your picture, Ren Wooble. Okay, yeah, you look super normal. And yeah, the little kitty cat did leave like a crack. Oh my god! Who is this? You look like Bendy. Ew! That's nasty. It's Among Us. He's an Among Us. Imposter. Get out of here. Woo! Hi there! You look so cool! I love your eyes. Wait, where are you going? Oh, wait, no. Hey, ... Sussy. I'm here for my appointment! Hi there. Ew, what is that? Oh! Up! What was that? Oh my god, I think it's Slenderman's long lost brother. You look normal, however. Camera fixed. Oh, hi there. Hey there, brother. Wait. No, I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, Mr. or Mrs. Okay, I need some coffee. Like, oh my god. Oh, scary, very. Okay, so that means we're gonna have like a lot of people coming in, right? The ambulance is coming, yeah. Oh, well, aren't you supposed to do something? You're the doctor, right? Where are you going? Oh no. Oh my god, this person's on fire! Oh my god, go deal with them. Go deal with them. And where's the other patient that's about to die? Oh my god. Oh my god, I need to follow this person. I need to follow this person, like, right now. It's okay. Okay, my brother took out the fire. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hang in there, sweetie. We're gonna fix you. We're gonna fix you. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay. Okay, I promise. Okay, okay. Oh my god. 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 He's about to die. He's about to die. Oh my god. What does he need? Medicine, medicine, medicine. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Slay Queen, don't worry, you're gonna be fine. Okay, he's healing. Where's this other person? Oh my god, you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine. Maple syrup. Okay. What else does he need? Oh my god, he needs so much. I'll get the eye drops, and then you get the med kit. Yeah, okay. Okay, he's fine. Okay, he's fine. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay, close this. I do not want to walk in front of the scary bed monster. His eyes are following me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stomachache, don't worry. Okay, I need some herbs and some whatever that is. Okay, herbs and cough syrup. Don't worry. Here you go. You're all better now. Alright. Okay. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Okay. More ambulances will come. Be prepared. I will, buddy. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Oh yeah, by the way, we accidentally killed somebody. Well, I say we. He did. My brother did. He accidentally killed somebody. Wrong thing. That was my best friend. No, I'm just kidding. I don't want to buy any of this stuff.